All right, guys, so as we can see, we have shredded up our carrots and we boiled them, and then I put them through a strainer. So what's left is just the juices. So what we're gonna do with this is we are going to, we're gonna dye a shirt. So I'm gonna set this off to the side here, and I'm gonna take, I had an old white t-shirt, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna make a swirly, hopefully a swirly pattern on it. So here's how we do this. I'm going to take the t-shirt, I am going to put a fork or something in the middle of it, and I'm just going to put two tines together, and then I'm going to start to swirl it like a piece of spaghetti. And I'm going to keep swirling, and I'm going to keep swirling, I'm going to keep swirling. Now, the best thing to do would be to use a rubber band for this. I am all out of rubber bands, so I'm going to make do with what I got, which is some string. So, I'm going to take a string, should have done this first. I'm going to tie a sliding knot through there. So basically I make a loop around, just tie a knot around the string itself, and give myself quite a bit of string here. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you just have it tied up nice and tight. So I've got it, my string here. So I'm going to start by making a loop around it just to kind of keep it bundled. I'll try to ball it up as much as I can here. As I said, a rubber band works best for this, but we can make it work with what we got. So I'm just going to tighten it up here, and then I'm just going to start to kind of wrap it around so that it all stays together. I want to try to keep that swirl nice and tight in there. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my carrot juice, and hopefully this works. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dunk it in, and I'm going to let it soak for as long as I can. And I chose to make sure I did this when my carrot juice was still hot, so that hopefully it will soak it all in. As you can see, it took all the carrot juice with it. So I'm gonna wring it out, and big reveal. As you can see, the dye isn't super dark, but you can definitely see that that carrot dyed it. Now you can use a whole bunch of other things like beets, I've heard work really well. I've heard that, I know you can use dandelions to make dye. So as I unravel it here, and I'm just gonna set this out to dry. Now, will this go in a washing machine? I do not know. So I would be wary of that. So when I unravel it, I can see that. How about that? So as I said, it's not super bright. I'm gonna let it dry out, and then I'll take a picture of it and post it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. I used some old carrots to do this. So, using food that maybe you get ready to throw away, you can make into something else. So pretty cool stuff. As I said, I'll take a picture and post it. You guys, I hope you enjoyed our first project, combining science with art, and I look forward to seeing what you guys make. All right, good job.